Hello, my YouTube friends, and welcome to my YouTube video. And my plans is for now dig out Passat and restore rear axle. So it will be little bit nice. It will be much easier with a car lift. Yes. Okay, let's dig out Passat, take it on a lift, and do some jobs. Okay, car is up on the lift. Yes, and it's already easy to take off wheels. Yes, and I will start with the wheels, then I take all brakes. On the other side is still old brakes, but I have ready everything somewhere in the garage. Yes, and then I take off axle. And for axle I have new tool. I just buy new tool for axle. It's actually for a gearbox, but you can use it for many other things. So yes, it's brand spanking new, just to be easier. Yes. Okay, let's do some jobs. Yes, and first I have to take off plastic cover which covers bolts for a wheel. And as you can see, it's much easier access, it's much easier to work. Yes, we're taking off a wheel, and after we take off a wheel we can take off a brake caliper. I'm preparing tools just to have a better, more comfort for work, and unscrewing rear brake caliper. Yes, and first I screw out all bolts from a brake caliper, and bolts go to safe place just to not lose them, and brake caliper is off. And next one is a handbrake cable, and it was a little bit tricky to get it out, but I was very careful not to scratch any paint, and I managed it. And there was some small ring holding the handbrake, which I take it out with a screwdriver. Yes, and job done. Brake caliper is off. And next, with a little smash with a gummy hammer, and brake disc is off too. And I can move to other side. And I didn't move to other side because I forget about bearing and brake caliper protector. Okay, there is few bolts left to screw out, and then I can move further. Yes, and when all 5 bolts is out, then bearing and brake protector is off from the car, and then it's only left ABS sensor. And next I disconnect ABS sensor and slowly pull it out from the car, just to try not damage it. and job is done. Yes, and for the other side is completely different story. As you can see, everything is very rusty. Yes, but anyway, somehow I have to get off everything from the car, and I start with the brake caliper, which is only on the 2 bolts, and brake caliper is off from the car. And actually it's not a bad shape. It's dirty but not very rusty. Yes, and the brake pads, it's not bad shape too, but I will use new ones. Yes, and those fellers, oh Jesus, very dry. And yes, and both of them are very dry. And everything is so rusty, and I just, before I touch any bolt, I just use some rust remover and spray all around every bolt, and I just wish it will helps. And after I heat up every single bolt, and actually it did work very well, and I open every single bolt. And finally, bearing and the brake protector is off from the car, and I just cut off the ABS sensor because I have a new one. Okay, handbrake is off, brakes is off. Yes, and many bolts broke over there inside. Yes, so rusty. Yes, and a little bit problems with this side. I was heating up every single bolt just to get off brakes and bearing. Yes, okay. Next is shock absorber spring. And you can see how bad is those bolts, and this is for a shock absorber. Little bit rust remover and little bit heating up. And for both of shock absorbers I open bolts very easy. I think heating up helps a lot. And with my new professional tool, I just push axle a little bit up just to get out shock absorber bolt, because it was little bit under pressure, and then just carefully I release it. And you can see shock absorber is free. And same thing I have to do on the other side. Same, just push little bit up axle and get out shock absorber bolt. And bolt is out. And now it's time for the feathers, and it's easy to get it out now because there's no more pressure for them. Good job done. Let's see how bad it is. How much is rust? There is some rust. Yes, and this is rusty, but it's not so bad actually. It's not so bad. Yes, I broke this bolt, survive. These two bolts broke. I need to make new. This one survive. This broke and this broke. And rest is good. Yeah. And first I like to fix those broken bolts. And then I, with the grinder, just grind off those broken bolt parts and just drill new holes. And when all 4 holes is ready, I just slowly and carefully making new threads. And a little bit lubricant and everything should be okay. Okay, one place is ready. Very good. It's 1, 2, 3. Need to fix 3 more things. 3 holes. Okay, my YouTube friends, and this far I'm with sanding rear axle. It's already shiny some places, but I need to sand more a lot. Yes, but for next when I start sanding, I will go outside because there was so much dusty inside when I was sanding inside. It was a big mistake, yes, and so when I continue with this, I will go outside. Yes, and for situation under the car exhaust. As you can see, it's completely rusty and I need a new one. Yes, and those bushes for the axle, I need new too. I need new shock absorbers and new feathers. Okay. Okay, my YouTube friends, and this is how far I am with rear axle restoration. Yes, and if you like my video, like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.